So analogics has become a really preferred and favored partner for our group. And I think the main reason why we chose analogics and why maybe analogics chose to partner with us is first of all, it's the passion, right, for what we're doing, and the time that we're both willing to put in with each other to get into the details, of each specific site, knowing that that's going to be a human to wildlife interaction experience there, at some point, and trying to make that happen. Because, that's what it's all about. We do all this work and all these things, but we're trying to make something a reality that's hard to accomplish. In the old days, you just say, man, you got to be in the right place at the right time, and you got to have a lot of luck. Well, we're trying to create luck, and analogics, with the science that they bring to it, it's amazing. They really are looking at it from a standpoint of kind of how we used to look at it in farming, with the way we would feed dairy cows very specifically to make sure that they were healthy enough to produce and lactate and do those things. They're using all that same type of technology. It's not new. It's something that's been out there for hundreds of years, but they're taking the proven methods that have worked, with all the other domestic animals, and they're using that on the wildlife setting, but they're putting it in a very simplistic report and conveying it in such a way that a layman, like myself, can be recreationally farming, but yet be very effective in different soil types, different locations depending on the climate, and with what we're trying to accomplish and what type of wildlife that we're trying to promote and feed.
We made a spreadsheet for this year, partnering with Analogics, and they kind of guided us through the process of making sure you're very specific and intentional with what you do. We're managing 30 food plots, like I said, 50 acres of the food plots, and it's very easy to get off track. You got to log your soil samples, your fertilizer, when you planted it, how much screen product you got to put on it, the exact format of how you want to organize your plots, whether it's a 50-50 plot, it's got some lanes in it. It's very, got to be intentional with everything you do. And so, partnering that with the Onyx product is something that we really have to keep on and be intentional with.